Salvete omnes. If you'd like to support the channel along with these patrons, there's a link in the description box below. Or you can become a member on YouTube by hitting the join button below. In this lesson, Hercules is done with his training and hits the road. But of course, it wouldn't be a story if he didn't meet with conflict. De Hercule, haec etiam inter alia narrantur. Olim dum iter facit in fines Aegyptiorum venit. Ibi rex quidam nomine Busiris illo tempore regnabat. Hic autem vir crudelissimus homines immolare consueverat. Herculem igitur corripuit et in vincula coniecit. Dum nuntios dimisit et diem sacrificio edixit. Mox ea dies appetebat et omnia rite parata sunt. Here's the breakdown. De Hercule, haec etiam inter alia narrantur. Haec is the neuter plural of the hic, haec, hoc combo. The neuter form is used to speak in general, meaning simply these things. And the same goes for alia. This is the neuter accusative form because inter always triggers this case, making this mean among other things. So we have, among other things, these things are also told of Hercules. Olim dum iter facit in fines Aegyptiorum venit. The word iter is easier to understand if we look at the other declensions of this word, which all contain the root itiner. This is of course contained in the words itinerant and itinerary, and means journey, course, path, etc. So iter facit is to make a journey. And what would the, quote, finish of Egypt be? The border. So this is, once as he was on his way, he came to the Egyptian borders. Ibi rex quidam nomine Busiris illo tempore regnabat. Remember, qui means who, so quidam means someone, or can be used as an adjective to mean a certain. So this becomes a certain king by the name of Busiris reigned at that time. Illo tempore is the ablative of time, because we use the ablative when we speak of the time within which something happens. Hic autem vir crudelissimus homines immolare consueverat. A conservative person tends to keep doing the same thing, right? Consueverat means tended to. So we have, however, this most cruel man had been wont to immolate, or sacrifice, men. Herculem igitur corripuit et in vincula coniecit. Verbs with an A often change this vowel to I or E when a prefix is attached. Both these verbs are prefixed with con. So can you guess what these verbs are without the prefix? Rapio and yakio. So these mean snatch up and throw together. A vinculum is an instrument that can be linked to something else, in this instance, a chain, leaving us with, he therefore snatched up Hercules and threw him in chains. Dum nuntios dimisit et diem sacrificio edixit. A person who makes announcements would obviously be called a nuntius, right? This is a messenger, and to edico, ex plus dico, is to say out from, in other words, declare or announce. So, then he sent the messengers and declared a day of sacrifice. Mox ea dies appetebat et omnia rite parata sunt. The word appetebat can mean to have an appetite for, but here it is being used to mean to draw near. Paro is more recognizable with the prefix prai. Praeparo means I prepare, and paro has the same meaning. And rite is actually an adverb meaning according to ritual. The word meaning right is ritus. So this sentence means, soon this day drew near, and everything was duly prepared. We'll see how Hercules gets out of this mess in the next lesson. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and if you can, help support the channel on Patreon, where there are audio downloads and transcripts of each dialogue and story. Gratias!